I'm Diego Gomez with Worth Avenue Yachts. I'm here aboard Canuck, a 2007 Pacific Seacraft 38 trawler. It's a beautiful boat, incredibly maintained and available here in Seattle, Washington today. I hope you enjoy the video and please contact me with any questions. So Canuck is actually the 20th out of 20 boats built by Pacific Seacraft of this model. It's the only one with the 370 horsepower Yanmar engines, and it's a fantastic boat. Great aft cabin in the back for owners. Beautiful V-berth in the front. Each cabin has its own ensuite head. The galley is just a really nice layout. This whole salon space just feels so much larger than you would expect on a boat this size. Pacific Seacraft builds a great boat. The quality and the fit and finish of all the teak wood and the gel coat surfaces is really beautiful. I'd put it on par or better than any Grand Banks out there today. And this boat's been really well maintained by the owners. They've spent over $25,000 in the last 30 days on bottoms, buffings, engine services, mechanical services. It's really turnkey, ready to go for the cruising season this year. I hope you've enjoyed this tour on board Canuck, the 38 Pacific Seacraft trawler here in Seattle. I encourage you to come take a look and contact me with any questions.